Taiwan is located at a crucial pivot in Asia-Pacific. Under the sky, there are 17 airports providing civil aviation services. To cope with the rapid changes in the global aviation market, the Civil Aeronautics Administration of MOTC focuses on the development of the country and implements continuous reviews every 5 years to create overall development plans for airports in Taiwan with their functions. We have set a goal of becoming the most competitive group of airports in East Asia by 2040 and attaining the goal of diverse gateways and local prosperity. There are 17 airports providing civil aviation services, and we're divided into 4 groups, including the National Hub Airport, Taoyuan Airport, Regional Gateway Airports, Kaohsiung, Taichung, and Songshan Airports, Local Core Airports, and other airports on offshore islands. To comply with industry development and tourism policies, we provide high-quality air services in each airport to promote local attractions and develop Taiwan's economy. As the National Hub Airport, it is necessary to expand Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport and increase its efficiency in response to the continuous growth of the international passengers and the target of annual passenger volume of more than 82 million. In addition to accelerating the construction of Terminal 3, we also actively implement the Taoyuan Aerotropolis Airport Land Acquisition Plan for the construction of the 3rd runway, North Satellite Concourse, aprons, new maintenance hangars, and the expansion of the new air cargo park as scheduled. Kaohsiung, Taichung, and Songshan airports are classified as regional gateway airports. Kaohsiung International Airport is the 2nd busiest international airport in Taiwan. To support the new southbound policy and the future development of southern Taiwan, it has been developed as an air transport hub in southern Taiwan. Currently, the runway renovation project of the Kaohsiung Airport is completed, and the improvement of the taxiway system is underway, as well as replacing the boarding bridges for the international terminal. The airport terminal renovation plan will soon be commenced to integrate the MRT and the ground transportation system, introduce smart services to speed up the customs clearance procedures. The airport will be expanded into an integrated terminal step by step and gradually attain the goal of an annual capacity of 16.5 million passengers. Taichung International Airport is the air transport gateway for central Taiwan and the base of a vibrant aerospace industry. In response to the rapid growth of the number of passengers, the construction of the overnight apron is completed and the refurbishment of the domestic terminal has been commenced. Once the terminal has been refurbished, it will accommodate 3.69 million passengers per year. We also accelerated the construction of the taxiway and will start to construct Terminal 3 and a new terminal in Yangshi District on an appropriate schedule. We blueprint an airport with an annual capacity of 10 million passengers to integrate the aviation industry and promote the industrial development in central Taiwan. Songshan Airport in Taipei City is not only an important hub for domestic routes, but also is the business airport of the capital to provide convenient access services for passengers of the business charters. Songshan Airport has incorporated smart technologies to improve operation efficiency. It brought together resources from the private sector to complete the construction of the terminal and to expand its public service facilities and business facilities, strengthen the connections between airport and urban development, and increase the value added of aviation-related industries. Penghu, Jinmen, Nangan, and Beigan airports are important transport sites for offshore islands and key drivers of local tourism development. We shall continue to invest resources to improve the service capacity and quality of the airport runways and terminal facilities. Taidong Airport provides air transport services for local tourism and flights connecting offshore islands. It is also an important base for flight training. Hualien and Jiayi airports promote local tourism spots for more domestic and foreign tourists visiting those attractions and foster the economic growth of the local tourism. Tainan Airport is an auxiliary airport for international routes in southern Taiwan. It has also become a base for the maintenance and repairs of narrow-body aircraft. Chimei, Wang'an, Lanyu, and Liudao airports mainly provide basic transportation services for residents of offshore islands. They also play an important role in conducting medical evacuation services in the event of emergencies. Other than maintaining basic air services for offshore islands, we also invited renowned international architects to create new features for the airport terminals and create new portals for local tourism based on the unique culture and landscape of the islands. The operations of airports around the world are mostly focused on improving passenger satisfaction by developing fast entry and exit process with self-service kiosk, self-check-in, self-service hold baggage drop, efficient custom clearance, self-boarding, passengers hold baggage tracking, and other smart services. CAA will gradually introduce smart systems to airports and cooperate with customs, immigration, quarantine, and security entities to enhance operating process and provide rapid and convenient travel experience to passengers. In addition, by using technologies such as high-speed internet, AI, IoT, and big data, we integrate the operations of air traffic control management of the airside, capacity monitoring of the landside, aircraft dispatch, and ground handling of airlines, so that decision-making divisions in the airport can monitor all detailed information and respond immediately to improve overall efficiency of the airports. In terms of operation safety of the airport's management units conduct daily inspections and maintenance on the facilities around runways, taxiways, aprons, and other areas. We've established and implemented 3-tiered supervision and management mechanisms for airside operation safety to provide a safe and orderly operational environment. We also conduct relevant notification and prevention measures to prevent intrusions into the airport boundaries to ensure flight safety. Furthermore, we implement aviation security management systems for the airports. We also purchase next-generation security inspection equipment and enhance the security inspection efficiency of airports. In addition, we conduct drills for various emergencies to test the contingency capabilities of airports, airlines, and related agencies to ensure the resilience of airport operations. As we ensure operation safety and pursue growth in the traffic volume, the critical issues such as green transportation and sustainable development are also indispensable. To support global environmental protection initiatives, we continue to promote energy conservation and carbon reduction plans to achieve the goal of green airports and sustainability for airports and civil aviation industry of Taiwan. Civil aviation is a highly internationalized industry with various challenges. CAA will continue to monitor international development trends and integrate local resources, make good use of local assets, strengthen the performance of different departments, and maximize synergy for Taiwan's airports to become the most competitive group of airports in East Asia. In the meantime, we shall provide safe, efficient, intelligent, and sustainable airport services to create a more comprehensive air transport environment, to shoulder the responsibilities and ensure flight safety. CAA will continue to uphold the ideal of pursuing growth with stability and grasping opportunities amid changes, and create a bright future for the civil aviation in Taiwan.